All right, so now we're going to talk about critical numbers. So if f is defined at c, then f prime of c is, if f prime of c is equal to 0, or if prime of c is undefined, then c is a critical number of f. So critical numbers are x values of possible max and mins. Remember, it doesn't mean that it's always going to happen. It just means that it might happen, because there are situations where they could be 0 and it could be undefined, and it might not be. So critical numbers are very important. So make sure you get this down. Okay, so for finding the critical numbers here, we want to find out where g prime of t is equal to 0 or g prime of t is equal to an undefined. So I first need to find g prime of t, and g prime of t is going to be low times the derivative of high minus high d low, which is 2t. All of this is going to be over t squared minus 3 squared. So to find one that makes it 0, I'm just looking at the numerator here, because if I can get this numerator equal to 0, then I know the whole thing is 0. So what I'm going to do is set it equal to 0 here, so t squared minus 3 times 2t minus t squared times that 2t. So if I simplify this, I know that every term here is going to end up having a t, so that's a good thing. So 2t cubed minus 6t minus, and then this is going to end up with some t cubed, so this is 2t cubed. So if I go ahead and I cancel out these pieces here, these are going to cancel out, and I'm left with 0 is equal to negative 6t. So what's the only thing I can plug in for t to make it 0? Well, t is equal to 0 is a critical point from doing that right there. So that's one that makes it g prime of t is equal to 0. So now I need to look for when it's undefined. So when it's undefined, I'm looking at this denominator, and whenever that is equal to 0. So I look at t squared minus 3 squared, and I set that equal to 0. Well, if I take the square root, I'm just t squared minus 3. So if I add 3 to both sides, I get t squared is equal to 3. Take the square root, and I get t is equal to plus or minus the square root of 3. And the reason why this is plus or minus is because it's being squared. If I plug it in for squared, it's going to end up with a positive value both times. So I've got both of those as critical points. So there should be 3, and the biggest thing here is these do not line up with these, so I know that all 3 have to be critical points. And even if they did line up, it would still be a critical point. We would just only list it one time.